Hey guys, this is Rajat Goyal and you're watching TechRJ, the best place to know the best features of your smartphone. And today we have the retail box of OnePlus 8, which is the 8GB 128GB Onyx black color variant. There are a lot of details mentioned on the back of the box. You can read the SAR values here and the box contents, which I'll be showing you next in this video. We'll quickly open up the box, and just to let you know, I am using a OnePlus device for the first time, so I'm very excited for this. So just as we open up the box, here is the OnePlus 8 device itself, and if you open up this wrapper, you can see the black color looks stunning here. It is all mirror design. You can see how beautiful it looks, and it actually feels really premium. The phone comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection on both sides, that is back as well as on the front, and the frame is made up of metal. This new OnePlus branding is also looking great to me. We'll just keep the phone aside for some time and let's see what else we get in the box. So you get a white box inside a red box here, and if you open this up, you get a lot of booklets here. So you get a card for Red Cable Club here. You have a card for SAR values. Then you get OnePlus stickers for your other devices, and then here's the Quick Start Guide, safety information, and invitation letter. And the SIM ejector tool is smartly hidden behind this invitation letter. You also get a nice looking TPU case inside this box. It says never settle. It looks good, but it is of decent quality. Then you get the actual red cable in this box, which is a type A to type C cable. And finally you get warp charger in the box, which supports up to 30 watts of fast charging on this OnePlus 8. So I'll quickly get rid of all this box contents and let's get back to the device. So if I again look at the device actually looks very premium, and it actually feels very premium. The device is not too heavy and it feels good to hold this device. And this black color makes this phone look more premium, I would say. Just to let you know, OnePlus 8 comes with dual speakers. That means the earpiece also works as a speaker, and no doubt the phone comes with latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, which offers you great performance. I'll quickly turn on this phone and I'll set up the device to show you how it looks. So this is the first screen you would get to see when you turn on this OnePlus 8 device, and I feel this UI is actually very smooth and very premium. Again, I'm using a OnePlus device for the very first time. I had set up the fingerprint sensor while I was initially setting up the device, so let's test this. You get the in-display fingerprint sensor here, and if you see guys, this I feel is the fastest I have ever used. The punch hole camera here in the display is integrated very nicely. If you see, because this is an AMOLED display, you get to see very accurate cuts and colors around this punch hole camera. And as you can see here, the display rounds up on the edges and it is even visible from the sides. If you see, the front punch hole camera is a 16 megapixel shooter here, and you get a 6.55 inches full HD plus fluid AMOLED display which comes with 90 Hz refresh rate. On the right side of the phone, you get the OnePlus switch and you get a power key on the right side. On the upper side, you just get a secondary mic for noise cancellation. On the left side, you get the volume rockers where you can increase or decrease the volume of this device, and on the bottom you get the main loudspeaker, type C port, primary microphone, and a SIM tray. And you actually get a dual SIM card port here, so you can't use a micro SD card here. If we talk about the rear cameras here, you get the main camera 48 megapixels with f1 by 1.75 aperture, a 16 megapixel wide angle camera, and third one is a 2 megapixel macro camera. And you can see the LED flashlights and OnePlus brandings on the back. Just to show you the initial storage you get in the phone, you can see for the 128GB variant you get 23.87GB used, that is almost 19% used. If you open up the camera app, the camera UI is very simple and you can switch between modes very easily. In the photo mode, you can directly switch to 2x or ultra wide. If you see the modes here, you get the video mode, slow motion mode, panorama mode, and the time-lapse mode on the left side. If you get to video settings, you can see the video resolution here where you can shoot full HD as well as 4K at 30 and 60 fps both. Also you get to shoot 4K cinematic videos again at 30 and 60 fps, which will shoot a 21:9 ratio video. While in normal photos mode, you can also switch between the 12 megapixel and 48 megapixel photos. On the right side, you also get a portrait mode, nightscape mode, and a pro mode. Here you can see three different photos. One is a normal shot, one is 2x shot, and third one is a ultra wide shot. You get to see a lot of features in Oxygen OS. If you go to settings and display, you can see night mode, reading mode, vibrant color effect, or the status bar option if you want to customize your status bar, or you can go to buttons and gestures if you want to gesture navigation or any other gestures, screen of gestures or display gestures. If you move to utilities, you can see work-life balance here and then parallel apps here. So a lot of features are there in this UI. All these features I'll be explaining in the tips and tricks video, which is coming very soon. Because you get a glass back in this phone, the phone also is a fingerprint magnet. You can easily see the phone easily catches fingerprints, but if you try to clean this device, the phone again shines up and the protection is actually very good. So this is it for this video guys. I hope you like this phone. I like this phone a lot. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting and upcoming videos on this smartphone, and you can always go to our Hindi channel to watch more fresh content.